Hey guys, ECRG here, and today we're going to be talking about one reason why you should definitely enter clinical research. Hey guys, ECRG here, and today I want to talk about one reason why you should definitely want to enter clinical research. Now, this video is inspired by, I was recently watching a documentary on Netflix, which was talking about corals, and it was basically talking about how humans are killing all the corals, and that's responsible for like 20-something% of all the wildlife in the ocean, of all the fish, all relied on corals, and how plenty of people will die once all the corals die because they won't have enough nutrients that they're getting from the ocean, from the fish that rely on the corals, essentially. That's basically the premise of the documentary. And one of the guys in the documentary was saying that before he became a researcher in corals, he was an ad man, he called himself, a marketing guy. And he was sitting in the boardroom thinking about a marketing plan, literally about how one company could sell more 4-ply toilet papers versus 3-ply toilet papers. And they were having these huge, long, drawn-out arguments about it. People were calling each other names, standing up and like arguing about it, and it was like a big deal. But if you really, take a step back and really think about it, that's not really, who cares if it's 4-ply or 3-ply? Like nobody's lives are changing. That's not making a difference in anybody's lives. And that's really why he quit and went on to do corals. Because it really didn't mean much. He felt like his life had no meaning, and he changed and he quit. So that's really why I want to talk about this today, about one reason why you should want to get into clinical research, and that is impact. Every day I wake up and I go to work, I realize that what I do on a day in and day out basis is going to have a dramatic effect on somebody's life. If you're working on a rare disease study, there's not many other people that are working to help the person who has that disease. There's not many people who are thinking about treatments for that person or thinking about drugs to help cure that person. And that matters. That's one thing in clinical research. We can always wake up day in and day out and realize we're going to have a true impact on somebody's life. We're going to help somebody live longer. We're going to help that grandma spend more time with her kids and her grandkids. We're going to help that grandpa be able to survive long enough to see his kids graduate from college, or to see his grandchildren graduate from college or get married or something like that. Real meaningful life events we are helping impact, because people will be able to survive long enough or be cured of whatever disease we're trying to research. So that's one of the things that is really awesome about clinical research, is the impact on people's lives. And you really feel it when a drug gets approved by the FDA. That's awesome. The team really has a good kick out of that, and pats themselves on the back and is really excited about that, because they know they made a difference. All those hours spent on revising protocols, all those times spent reviewing meeting minutes, all those arguments back and forth with the team was worth it, because somebody will have a better life. A lot of people will have a better life, hopefully. And so I just really wanted to talk to you guys about that. And sometimes it can seem a little bit monotonous in the world, and especially in that job, and at the end of the day, you're making a real difference. You're making a real impact on somebody's life. And if you're in another field right now and you're feeling like you're not really having an impact, or something's wrong, or you just want to do something bigger and better, well, clinical research might be the field for you. Because day in and day out, we are affecting people's lives for the better. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Just wanted to share that message with you guys. The documentary is on corals. I forget the exact name of it, but it was really good. You should check that one out too. Really good documentary. That's pretty much it for today, guys. You can email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com for anything. Just want to stop by and say, hey, we're always looking to network with people. Comment down below, please, if you enjoyed this video or have any other reasons why people should join clinical research, or maybe just want to share a story about how you affected somebody's life through clinical research, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the red subscribe button down below. Just easy, just hit the subscribe button. And that's it for today. Take care, guys.